Oh, there's another one coming, bro. There's another one coming. You see the big one? You see the big one is getting closer. Domino 3, what are you doing here, by the way? Oh shit! Good luck, bro. Wish me luck. There's a the last one. There's a big one. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Do you feel it, bro? You feel it? It's shaking. Oh. Oh. No. Oh, love Echo. Oh no. I shouldn't pick this vehicle. Just two. Just two. That's just two. This one, this one can handle 230 miles per hour. No, check the EF sliders. You see the EF0 to EF5? Yeah, EF5 not so easy to find. Bro, do you know? This thing's too slow, by the way. Give me a sec, by the way. Wait, we're inside a video? Oh man, the tornado is gone. I don't know. He just say hi because he want to get inside. Okay, which direction should I go? No, I don't think I don't recognize him, by the way. Am I going to the correct direction? I found an EF, I found an ES1. Okay, you can move this in 360. I wish I wanted. No, seriously, the tornado disappeared again. I know where's the tornado. It's okay. I found. Okay, the tornado here. EF. This one's EF what? EF2. I do not know. Am I in the right direction? I'm in the wrong direction, bro. Factory? No, I don't think so. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I think I found a tornado. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Come on. Come on. Faster. Bro, this thing is too slow. Bro, wait. Bro, the TF2 can only deploy for me 2 seconds, bro. It's too slow. Okay, we survived. Okay, at least we survived, isn't it? I found an EF4 tornado. Let's go find it. Okay, you can collect the. Okay, you can collect the thing already. Bro, get in the seat, by the way. Oh, this bullshit is too slow. Hurry up, I found three tornadoes. One is EF1, the two of them is EF0. Trust me. Bro, this thing is too slow. I couldn't go, that's why. No, it takes the undeploy and deploy it will take until 22 seconds to deploy. So I couldn't go really fast. Bro. I don't know. I forgot where is the tornado's direction is. I don't know. Oh, found it. I can see this. I can see through the sky. Oh, bro, shit. Bro, I'm being surrounded by these tornadoes. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, go. Okay, go. Go. No. Okay, going. Go. Bro, that's the EF4. The, that's the EF4. Bro. I don't know where is the tornado's direction is going. Wait, what? Where are we now? No! I go to the wrong direction. Well, this thing's too slow. Sure, you can pick a better one instead of the Tiff 2. Bro, died. You should pick a better one instead of the Tiff 2. Okay. Faster. Where is the tornado go? I can't see it. Oh, found it. Bro, don't you dare run away. I thought I lost you. Is it this direction? Where are you? What do you mean wrong way? Is the thing is almost on the correct way. What do you mean this is the wrong way? This is the correct way. Bro, it takes 22 seconds to deploy. We need to go far. This thing's it's too weak. Alright, just you don't need to judge me, bro. I know you don't need to judge. I know you don't need to judge me, bro. Okay, put the thing down. Scared. No, it won't ever deploy the DJI-2. You use the computer code, but just wait. Oh, it's EF2. Wait, that's EF4, bro. No, EF4, bro. Check the. It's red color. Red color is EF4, by the way. We need to wait for the tornado to be gone first. So the smoke will be gone. We wait for the smoke to be gone. Okay, the smoke is gone. Yeah, you can find EF5 by the way. Okay. Should we pick the better one instead of the tier 2? Wait, I should pick a better one. This is the better one. Trust me. Wait, how many miles per hour can this tornado handle? We are going to the tornado. Look, I couldn't go so